Hi everyone, this is STHN coming to you with a how-to video.
Alright, so today I'm going to show you a quick trick where you can actually create a macro and a button without writing a single line of code. Amazing, right? You don't have to write even one single word of code, nothing. All you have to do is do a few clicks and you're set to go. So here I have some data. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Let me just increase the size. Okay, so here I have some data with the name and some tire. Let me just delete this. Okay, and it actually has some name of the customers and the membership tire that they belong to. And on this sheet, again, I have some records which says whether they are particular member or not. Let's say whether they are a gold member or not. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to merge these two sheets and see the records of those people who are gold member and who belong to no particular, say, tier 1. So I can do a quick few formulas like VLOOKUPs and index match and things like that. But let me just show you for the sake of this video how to do this using a macro, using macros but not actually writing anything. Alright, so for this you actually need a developers tab. If you need to know how to enable this tab, then please check out my description. I mentioned the steps over there. Alright, so just click on record macro. Now before you click on this, you need to make sure what exactly it is that you want, because every click that you do, each and every filter that you do is going to be recorded. Alright, so now I'm going to click on record macro and say okay, macro name is 5 and click on OK. I'm going to filter the tire to 1 because I want only people with tire 1, and okay, then I'm going to take okay, I'm going to copy this and then paste the values over here. Okay, so it's KJB and JKB. Okay, and I also want the column names that get okay. So I have the details over here for all those people who are in tier 1. Now I want to know about the gold membership as well. So I'm going to I need only those people whose gold membership is yes. Alright, there you go. So I'm just going to copy this and paste the data over here. Okay, so again I have name here and membership. Okay, so I have the name of all the people in tier 1 and all the people who are in gold membership. Okay, in case if we had some common values over here which you want to highlight, like okay, this person is in tier 1 and also has gold membership, that's alright. We can do some conditional formatting over there. We can select the two columns. Alright, and do some conditional formatting. Okay, go to highlight cell rules and click on duplicate values. So if at all there are any duplicate values, that will become red. So if you see over here, name is duplicate between these two columns, so it has become red. Yes, if you have any other customer name who belong to tier 1 and who have gold membership, that will come in red as well. Yeah, so that's all I think we want with our macro for now. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording. Okay, and delete our result, what we have over here. Okay, because we just did that to show the system what exactly we want, and remove the filters. Okay, now I'm going to go to developer and go to my button. Okay, just create your button. Okay, and assign the macro that you have just created to the button, so that when you click on it, that whatever actions you have done will be replicated. So let's go ahead and click on our nice button. Okay, so there you go. We have our values shown over here when we click on this button. Pretty amazing, right? If you want to see what happens, what has happened when you record a macro, just go to Developer tab, click on the macros, macro 5, so name whichever macro you have created, and click on Edit. You'll be able to see in the back end what actually has taken place. So you see, we've avoided writing all these lines of code just by clicking a few buttons and by clicking on record macro. Pretty amazing, right? You have created a macro without writing any VBA codes. Yeah, so that's about it for today. If you like this video, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and click on the nice subscribe button below. And also do share it with your friends and colleagues. Take care. Bye bye.